AI video for YouTube. Hi there. In this video, we're going to be talking about AI, or artificial intelligence. AI is a rapidly growing field that has the potential to revolutionize the way we live and work. First, let's define what AI is. AI refers to the simulation of human intelligence in machines that are programmed to think and learn like humans. There are two main types of AI, narrow or weak AI, which is designed to perform a specific task, and general or strong AI, which has the potential to perform any intellectual task that a human can. Some examples of narrow AI include Siri on your phone, which can answer questions and perform tasks for you, or the recommendation systems used by Netflix and Amazon, which suggest movies and products based on your viewing and purchasing history. On the other hand, an example of a general AI would be a machine that can understand natural language, play chess, or have an open-ended conversation like humans can. The field of AI is advancing rapidly, with new developments and breakthroughs happening all the time. One of the most exciting areas of AI research is machine learning, which allows machines to learn and improve from data, without being explicitly programmed. This is the technology behind many of the narrow AI applications we see today. Another exciting area is deep learning, a subfield of machine learning that involves training neural networks with large amounts of data. This is the technology behind many of the most impressive recent breakthroughs in AI, such as image recognition and natural language processing. There are many potential benefits of AI, including increased efficiency, improved accuracy, and better decision-making. However, there are also concerns about the impact of AI on jobs and society as a whole. In conclusion, AI is a rapidly growing field with the potential to revolutionize the way we live and work. There are many exciting developments happening, but it's important to consider the potential impact and responsibly to ensure that the benefits of AI are realized, while minimizing negative effects. Thanks for watching.